Hello student, I am Ashish Tripathi from Mount Raji School Jhansi. This video is especially for class 12 students, those who have taken computer and those who are learning Python. First of all, I want to tell you, use mask, stay safe, stay inside your home. Don't try to roam in on the road. Use sanitizers and all those things जो आपको safe रख सके. Thank you. Now today I am telling you what is a language, especially what is a Python. What is a language? Language is the group of word for in computer for the computer language. I can say it is a group of programs. A program is a set of instruction written in a sequence that guides the computer to solve a particular task. Means एक particular task को solve करने के लिए जिस commands का use किया जाता है, the commands are known as programming language. The commands are stored in the form of language. These language having some special commands, using that we are creating the programs. So today I am telling you regarding the Python. Python is launched in 1991 by Mr. Godot van Rossum from National Research Institute of Mathematics, Netherlands, and it is presently owned by the Python Software Foundation (PSF). Python is based on the ABC language, was inspired by the famous BBC comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python have a number of features. You can see the features of Python. It is easy, it is expensive, it is expressive, it is extensible, embeddable, interpreted, high level, and these are some advantage of the Python. It is a platform independent. That means you can run the program, you can run the Python on any language: DOS, Windows, Unix. Readability, object oriented, totally object oriented. You are not creating the object, it will not work. Then higher presidency, less learning time, GUI programming, these all are. To install the Python, we have to go in python.org and we have to click on downloads. Advantages of Python or now there are now you can see from you when you download your Python, it will create an icon. You have to click on your start button, then go in Python ideally 16.2 and you can run the Python. First of all, when you switch on the Python, a mode will come that is known as command line instruction, or we can say it is a Python shell. Here simply you can run the simple commands. Python shall display the prompt triple greater than sign to indicate that it is waiting for the user command to be entered. Now here you can write our first program, then print hello world, then you will press enter. Hello world means केवल एक बार एक ही command type करके आप work कर सकते हैं. It is a case sensitive language. Means if you are writing the command in capital letters, then it will work in capital letters, a small letter, then small letter. If there is any error, print command is written in the capital letter or first letter is capital, it will display error as you have seen on the screen. Now the another screen syntax of the print command I have given that print 10, 20, 30. You can write down there print 10, 20, 30, September, then asterisk, then separator equal to asterisk. That means 10 separator asterisk, then 20 asterisk, then third asterisk. Separator comma, it will give the comma slash t. That means it will give the 8 character space. Now Python, now the one mode of the Python was a Python shell window where you can directly write the command for one command, second command, and third command. But the another mode of the Python, it is known as the Python editor window, or it is known as the script mode, in which you have to write the whole program at a time. And when you write the program using after that click on run command, it will ask to save the file. When you save the program, it will ask you to run the program. Whatever you have written, it will be displayed on your shell mode. You have seen I have given number of the pictures of the Python script mode, in which I have written number of the program print script, and when I am running the program by pressing F5 or by clicking on run, it will display the output on the shell mode. So there are both the type of a mode today I told you. So first of all, जब आप रन करते हैं तो प्रोग्राम को पर्टिकुलर किसी जगह पर सेव करना पड़ता है, डायरेक्टरी में जाके आप उस चीज़ को सेव भी कर सकते हैं। आई थिंक ये दिस वीडियो इज रिलेटेड टू क्लास 11th एंड 12th both this video is taught especially for class 12, not only for the class 12, it can be used in class 11th also, because class 12th and 11th they have to learn how to install the Python, how to start the Python, how to learn both the modes of the Python. So using this video, class 11th student or class 12th student easily do the programming in Python. Thank you.